Okay everybody, welcome to foggyheadlightsrestoration.com. My name is Louis and we are a mobile headlight restoration service in Miami and Broward. We have a Mitsubishi, what's this, Montero? Yeah. Foggy headlights.
$550 for that BMW.
Foggy headlights, we're gonna get these super clear. The customer's gonna save hundreds of dollars. And there's the other one. We're gonna get those clear right now. You guys will be eyewitness. Okay everybody, we're back with the Mitsubishi Montero. The passenger headlight is done, restored. I came over here to the dealer. Look at how clear it is now. Question, do you believe in headlight restoration? Nice looking Mitsubishi Montero. Now look at the other light. Is there a difference? Is there a difference? This one's not done. See, it's yellowish, caused by oxidation, foggy, cloudiness. Not done. Done. Crystal clear. Give me a call. My name is Louis. I come to your house or to your business. 305-815-2629. foggyheadlightsrestoration.com is the website. And I have the power and the professional equipment to do a 100% job. Sometimes maybe you've tried a kit, a restoration system over the counter, but they'll work only if you have light, discolored, foggy headlights. But if you have a tough job like this, sometimes those kits will not work 100%. Some do, but most of them, the headlights get really severely foggy, then you need to call me. Miami-Dade and Broward County. What a difference. Amazing.